Okay, what do you do when you're in, you need to turn um, in Unit 2, this is Unit 7, Project 1. You want to do 2.02 graded assignment, Unit 7, Assignment 1. Open it up. It tells you you're going to format an article using several styles for emphasis. Copy and paste the text from the article on the next page to the new document and save it as style as your name. Then format the article as described below. So we come down and we get this article here. So what I do is I drag over this article on the next page. I right click and copy it. Okay, right click copy, or you can right click copy with formatting if you desire. So I come over here and I go to my Microsoft button, Office button, click it up. I go to all programs. I go to Microsoft Office 2013, open that up, and I go to Microsoft Word, Word 2013. I open it up. I click on blank document, and I right click paste. Click any of those because there's nothing in there, right? So I come back up to the top. What does it tell me to do? All the text in the article's been changed to a font other than Arial. So I come back up here. I select everything. And I click this down and I find a font that I like. Right over here, right underneath the word home. I can find any kind of font. There's a couple hundred in here. Find something that you like. I'll pick Britannic Bold. Okay. The title has a separate style than the rest of the document. So I'm going to give my title. How about giving it the title style? So I come back into the document. How to fly a kite. I isolate that word. And I come down here. And I find me a style. See the several styles here. Or one thing you can do is you can right click. You can see the styles word up here. If you right click it, go to styles. And there's a title style. How about? So there you go. You've given your title a title style. The next thing says the main headings have a separate style from the rest of the document. That means you need to be able to pick out the main headings. Let's come up here. And so here's the main heading. So I'm going to find a style for this. I'll right click, style, and choose heading 1. I'll come over here, pick process. There's a subtitle. Come up here, right click, style. Click this down, heading 1. When you are finished, right? I right click here, click style, and put heading 1 on this one as well. So now I've got 3 different headings, the main headings. Okay, the subheadings have a separate style than the rest of the document. Alrighty then, so we have any subheadings in here? Well, I guess we've got all the headings that we want to use here. So we have space between the headings and the paragraphs appropriate used. Yeah, we've got some decent space, okay. The list of materials is bulleted. So we do have a list of materials. Oh, right here. So let's bullet these list of materials. So I highlight these. I just click on the bullet button to give them all bullets. Okay. At least one sentence in the document has been emphasized. You can use bold, italics, underline, or a combination. Okay, so that's the bold, B, I, italics, or U. So I'll find up here. I'll take one line here, and I can bold it, or I can click the italics, or I can put the underline. So this is kind of bold as it is, so I'm just going to click italics and underline, make sure my teacher sees that I've emphasized that one. Okay, so the overall document is visually appealing. Okay, so it says subheadings. I really don't see any you know what? Let's do the steps as subheadings. How about? Okay, step 1, so I can click that. And I'll use this one. And I'll put in here. Oh, I don't know. I'll put in here. What looks good? I'll use this one. Right click it. Click Styles down here. And I'll use the same one. That's subtitle. I think that's what they mean. Here's my subtitle. So there we go. So I got the 3 steps with the subtitles there. There you go. When you're all done, what do you do? It doesn't say you have to save it any special way, does it? Let's look. Oh, using styles your name. So I'll go click save. Doesn't take off any points for that, so I don't think it really matters. But I'll go over here to desktop. Using underscore styles underscore your underscore, oh, I guess you want to put your name, Miss Hadley. There you go. And just click save and put it in the Dropbox. And which Dropbox is this? This Dropbox 2.02 graded assignment, Unit 7, Assignment 1.